Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, you will see how we spent a Eid holiday at my brother's house with a very popular and delicious Indo-Chinese recipe, that's chicken Hakka noodles prepared by my sister-in-law. That's on the second day of Eid, along with the trip to largest waterfall in UAE, that's Khorfakkan. It's an amazing waterfall located next to beach, which we truly enjoyed along with our little ones. Hope you like it. Keep watching. So we begin with the delicious recipe first, which my sister-in-law is going to prepare, and it's a family's absolute favorite. So let's look into the ingredients. So here we require 500 grams of noodles. It's 250 grams packet of each. Then we require half kg chicken breast, which is cut into bite-sized pieces. Then in veggies we have taken carrots. That's 4 carrots thinly sliced. Then we require 4 capsicum. That's green pepper thinly sliced. And then we require medium-sized cabbage, which either you can shred or chop into thin slices. Then we require 12 cloves of garlic and 4 to 5 green chilies, which is finely chopped. You may adjust the chilies according to your taste. Then we require salt as required. Here we are using Himalayan salt. And then around 3 tablespoons to half cup of oil. With this we also require 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Firstly, into a bowl add the chicken pieces, and to this we're going to add the spices now. So in goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder, that's haldi. Then we require 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, that's lal mirch powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, that's dhania powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now to this we're going to add a pinch of food color and salt as required. Then to this we're going to add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that's maida, and a tablespoon of corn flour, that makai ka atta. Now give everything a good mix. And then we proceed with the cooking. Remember, we don't need to marinate the chicken as we're going to directly proceed with cooking. So let's proceed. So into a large pan, adding oil for frying the chicken first. Keep flame on medium. Once oil heats up, add in the chicken pieces and fry them until they are well cooked. It's a one-pot dish, hence using a large pot for cooking the chicken. Then into the same oil, we're going to stir fry the veggies. While the chickens are getting cooked, let's keep water for boiling the noodles. So into a large pot, add sufficient water, and to it add required amount of salt and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now cover and allow it to boil. Meanwhile, we can see here the chickens are well fried. So now we can strain it off and allow it to cool down completely. Upon cooling, we're going to shred the chicken and then add it to the noodles. So allow to cool down and then shred it. Now into the same oil, we're going to add the chopped garlic and green chilies. Now saute until raw smell goes. Chilies you may adjust according to your taste. Now to this goes in the veggies. So firstly we're going to add the cabbage. So add in the cabbage and then give a good stir. Saute the cabbage until it's well combined with garlic and chilies. It's well combined now. Now it's time to add in capsicum and then goes in carrot. Mix and combine all well. It's a must-try recipe as it tastes extremely delicious. Hope you are liking this video, then do give a thumbs up and share among your family and friends. And for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. Now add salt as required and then saute it well. While veggies are getting cooked, Let's check the water. You can see it started boiling now. So to this add the noodles and stir well. Noodles doesn't take much time to cook, hence we are simultaneously sauteing the veggies and cooking the noodles together, saving cooking time. Now allow it to cook and then we check our veggies now. Now to this we're going to add soya sauce, which is around 2 tablespoons, and chili sauce, which is around 1 tablespoon. Again, chili sauce you may adjust according to your taste. Now give a mix and then on a high flame saute the veggies until all moisture gets absorbed. As we added salt and sauces, you can see enough moisture here. So keep sauteing until it dries up completely. On the other side, let's check the noodles. It's almost done. It will just take 1 more minute. So allow it to cook for a minute and then noodles will be done. On the other side, we can see the veggies are also done. It's dried completely. Now let's check the noodles. When you press it, it should easily break. It's perfect now. So now strain the noodles from water and then here we're going to directly add it to the veggies. So add it to the veggies. No need to drain it into a colander and then add it to veggies. You may directly add it. So this again will save a lot of your time. Now stir the noodles well with the veggies and toss it until it's well combined. You can see the texture here. Look at it. It's non-sticky, very smooth flowing and it tastes super awesome. Now it's well tossed. Now to this we're going to add the shredded chicken. So this chicken simply shredded with hand. And now add the chicken to the noodles and some storing for garnishing. Now give a mix and toss it well. A very simple, quick yet very delicious chicken hakka noodles is ready. It's a must-try recipe. It's an absolute favorite one for both adults and kids. Serve it hot by garnishing with fried chicken. And an awesome chicken hakka noodles in my sister-in-law style is ready. My little niece absolutely loves this noodles and enjoys having it. Mashallah. With just handful of ingredients, you may make this awesome recipe that's truly loved by adults and kids. After having this delicious recipe, we moved ahead to Khorfakkan from Ajman to see the largest waterfall in UAE. Khorfakkan is located after Fujairah and Fujairah has lots of beautiful mountains on its way, as you can see. This waterfall is located 43 meters above the sea level and is 45 meters long and 11 meters wide. It's an amazing waterfall that's man-made. Yes, it's man-made and you can't make it out once you see it. Isn't this an amazing waterfall? It gives a panoramic view of Khorfakkan beach, which is located in front of the waterfall. Mine and my brother's family, along with our little ones, really enjoyed this beautiful trip. There's even restaurants and cafes located, so one can easily dine in by enjoying the beautiful view of waterfall and beach together. Hope you liked the Eid holiday trip along with delicious recipe. If so, please hit the like button, and for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified. Until then, eat healthy and be happy. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.